So anything you gotta say, you can tell your dad that. I don't care. I said, but what you're not gonna do is not do what we say. I said, trust me. I said, trust me. Anything I tell you is not because I'm mean to you. I'm telling you because that's just the way it is. And then le llamé la atención because nos sentamos. Jennifer's very like, can't explain it. No. Formal. Lávase las manos. Type shit. Van al baño primero. Yeah, so Logan was like, no, wipe her hands, whatever. Well, okay. Jennifer has something to wipe her hands. They wipe their hands. Estamos al baño before the food comes. Nobody wanted to go. Not even Logan. Tell me why, but when the food's there, David, now they want to go. Logan want to go to the restroom.
Was she on iPad?
No, she wasn't, but she was on the game that they have on there. The table. So now.
That looks all the way.
Right?
1, 2, 3.
So then now after that, the food came and Ariana said, "Ay, tú, quiero ir al baño." I waited for Jennifer to get up. I said, "Ariana, espérate." And they already start walking. Yeah. Ariana, Titi already asked you about the restroom.
So
now su comida se va a enfriar.
from now on, we'll leave all those in there?
And if it's possible, the way me and David took it out because I kept.
That's what we did over here too.
And
We took them out whole.
Oh, damn.
Because they were already.
Nah, I mean, if this looks dangerous, take it out.
Yeah.
That one's like
I
solid.
already knows about this, about 12 inches wide.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's solid. It ain't going nowhere. You can see how far it goes back. It's probably 4 inches in.
Yeah, no, it's got a good ledge.
Like you said.
So that's what I told her. I just said, Ariana, now Tia tried to go take us to the restroom y la comida se va a enfriar. I said, but Ariana, it's okay. I said, just remember that. I know. Now go to the restroom so we can enjoy this food. I'm going to eat your camarones. No! Like that? Like, not like that. Like playing around. She said, no.
Anything that I'm telling her right now, baby, everything I'm telling you right now, it sounds like I'm being honest with you, but it's everything that I need you to learn. But the only way it's gonna work if your mom helps out, via princess, via abuela, and abuela, everybody helps out.
Yeah.
But you have to listen to what I'm telling you.
And the only thing I told her was the iPad. I said, Ariana, yo no puedo creer que todos los días tienes que ordenar el iPad y ahorita no tienes nada de carta. I said, Ariana, tu iPad en la escuela lo dejaste así en la mesa. I said, Ariana, grab your iPad. Jennifer sacó tu iPad. And I said, no, Jennifer. Cualquier persona puede agarrar ese iPad.
Me voy a ir a las 4:15. También, or whatever. David's gonna take off too. Maybe David and Rich can stay here.
Yeah.
Tú y nos vamos.
Yeah.
I gotta go pick up gravel, no? Or still don't even pick up no gravel. I think we can drive to the back, no?
Yeah, we could drive to the back.
I'm glad you're telling me. That's
I'm telling you 5 things, pero fue en pausa.
Oh, Beto, forget the gravel.
Yeah.
Forget the gravel today, right?
We don't need gravel.
Vamos a armar hilos y we'll do what we can.
Yeah, there's that mine. Do I have to see you?
What you thinking, Rich?
Ooh.
Smooth operator? Oh, we got plenty of buckets.
Yeah.
I thought you said we only had like 3.
That's not, man.
All right, what you working on next? Then 3? Then 3 joints?